Aegion's been in business for over 45 years. When it comes to sewer pipe in the municipal market, oil and gas pipelines, we do inspection of those assets on behalf of the customer, give them an assessment of the condition of the pipe itself, and then we would provide maintenance services on those assets. Our biggest challenge in the field has always been the inefficiencies that you have. In the past we had paper trails, manual processes where people would go in and get the work done. It was a big challenge in terms of timeliness of the information because of that delay in getting the information captured.
It was very important that we understood on a daily basis what was happening out in the field. All this information was being gathered on pieces of paper and stored away. And now we wanted to be able to share that more quickly and with more people in a timely manner.
As a vertically integrated organization, we were not only looking for a solution that would help us in the traditional manufacturing side of our business to track product and manufacturing processes, but extend that capability into the field itself with our field operations. We could have a single platform where we could not only develop applications on our ERP side and have those tightly integrated with our business operations, but the extensibility of that solution and being able to also provide solutions for our field operations was the key.
We have definitely had a lot of customer feedback for the new presentation of the information. It's well formatted, it's organized, it's detailed, it's presented very professionally. The field tickets have captured the information in a way that it's very clear and concise and effective from the field crews to the back office.
There's been nothing but positive feedback, both from the customers, from our crew. That's why we're continuing to do more and more apps.
Where it would have taken weeks to get an invoice out in some circumstances, we are literally able to get the invoice out the next day.
The DSI app has helped us streamline our processes across all of our platforms. From an efficiency standpoint, our projected reduction in time was somewhere in the neighborhood of about 200% reduction in time just for daily field tickets.
We have a single solution, a single technology that my people have learned and that they can now apply.
And it all comes down to, is the tool friendly? Is the solution practical? Is it something we can put in the hands of any type of user? And it is. It's been that type of a tool that whether it's people out in the field or a project manager in the office, it's all very practical and easy for them to use and understand in a common way.